Welcome to the hidden sanctuary where ancient biology meets futuristic science, as we descend into the heart of the desert's most precious and highly guarded secret cave. Deep within these crystalline walls, we discover a realm where time stands still, housing legendary golden scorpions that hold the key to eternal and youthful skin beauty. These majestic creatures are the source of a rare biological treasure, carefully preserved in a habitat designed to mimic the pristine conditions of an ancient desert world. Advanced nanotechnology monitors every heartbeat of these organisms, ensuring their well-being while we prepare for the most delicate extraction process ever conceived in modern cosmetic history. Precision is paramount as our automated systems engage with the environment, utilizing gentle vacuum technology to interact with the scorpions without causing any stress or physical harm. Every movement is calculated to the millimeter, ensuring the creature feels no distress while being transported to the state-of-the-art bioextraction station deep within the limestone cave. This is phase 1 of our journey, where the initialization of rare biological resources begins under the watchful eyes of the world's most sophisticated artificial intelligence systems. The scale of this operation reflects the immense value of what we are about to create, a fusion of nature's mystery and the pinnacle of human engineering excellence. In the heart of the sterile zone, the non-invasive extraction process begins, where every drop of essence is treated as a masterpiece of biological complexity and power. Using delicate nanopulses, we stimulate the natural release of the venom, a process that is entirely painless for the scorpion and preserves the integrity of the proteins. Witness the birth of the liquid jewel, a glowing neon green substance that contains the concentrated power of desert survival and cellular regeneration in its purest form. As the droplet descends, it begins its journey of transformation, being captured by gold-plated systems designed to maintain its high potency and incredible biological activity. The collective flow of this glowing essence creates a river of light, a mesmerizing display of synchronized technology harvesting the most expensive liquid on the entire planet. Immediate recovery is our priority, as we nourish each scorpion with a revitalizing mist that replenishes their energy and ensures they remain healthy and vibrant after extraction. This raw essence is the foundation of our serum, a potent cocktail of enzymes and peptides that will soon be transformed into the ultimate elixir of youth. Every milliliter is monitored for perfection, ensuring that the Phase 2 nano extraction remains the gold standard for non-invasive and sustainable biological harvesting in the modern world. Welcome to Phase 3, the stage of transformation where the raw neon green extract enters a world of high-speed reactions and sophisticated molecular structural changes. Through centrifugal force, we separate the potent anti-aging compounds, watching the color shift from mysterious green to the brilliant, warm hue of liquid amber and gold. We introduce 24-karat gold nanoparticles into the solution, creating a synergistic bond that enhances the delivery of nutrients deep into the skin's most vital cellular layers. The result is a mesmerizing golden galaxy, a fluid masterpiece that sparkles with the promise of rejuvenation and the luxury of the world's finest elemental materials combined. As the mixture emulsifies, it transforms into a thick, luxurious texture that catches every ray of light, turning into a true liquid gold that defies the aging process. The fluid moves with a rhythmic pulse through our rose gold conduits, being refined at every turn to ensure maximum absorption and unprecedented results for the skin. Every air bubble is removed through a vacuum process, leaving behind a pure, dense, and concentrated serum that is ready for the final stage of nutritional enrichment. This is the crystallization of our vision, where the venom of the desert meets the riches of the earth to create a serum beyond any earthly imagination. In Phase 4, we enter the world of nano inspection, where holographic technology allows us to witness the interaction between our liquid gold and the human cellular structure. Under the laser's gaze, we see the active particles vibrating with energy, ready to repair damaged tissue and stimulate the natural production of collagen and essential elastin. To enhance the formula, we add rare botanical extracts from desert flora, providing a secondary layer of hydration and protection against the harshest environmental stressors today. The fusion of plant and animal biology creates a perfect harmony, a peptide bond that is optimized for the highest level of skin rejuvenation and long-term health. Final sterilization is achieved through high-intensity ultraviolet lasers, ensuring that every milliliter of the serum is completely pure and safe for the most sensitive skin types. This light activation process stabilizes the ingredients, locking in the potency of the scorpion proteins and the gold particles for a shelf life that lasts for several years. The optimization is complete. Our liquid gold has passed every test, achieving a level of molecular perfection that sets a new standard in the luxury skincare industry. Phase 5 begins the artistic packaging process, where our serum is housed in crystal vessels that are as beautiful and as precious as the liquid inside. Watch as the golden elixir fills each crystal bottle with absolute precision, a mesmerizing display of automation and luxury coming together to create a true cosmetic masterpiece. Each bottle is sealed with a solid rose gold cap, ensuring the serum is airtight and protected, preserving its miraculous properties from the very first drop to the last. The brand is etched with light, a mark of authenticity and excellence that represents the journey from the depths of the desert cave to the pinnacle of beauty. Each bottle travels through a final light inspection, shimmering like a jewel under the violet beams, ready to be delivered to the world's most discerning luxury clients. This is more than just a skincare product. It is the culmination of years of research, a liquid gold treasure that embodies the spirit of scientific innovation. The masterwork is complete, as the liquid gold serum stands ready to transform the world of beauty and offer the gift of eternal youth to those who seek it. In our final demonstration, witness the incredible power of a single drop as it approaches the skin, carrying the concentrated essence of the desert's golden scorpion. Upon contact, the transformation is instantaneous. Wrinkles vanish, and the skin is bathed in a radiant light, proving the unmatched efficacy of our revolutionary liquid gold serum. This is the result we promised: a total cellular transformation that awakens the skin's natural beauty and provides a youthful glow that lasts for a lifetime. The liquid gold serum, a testament to the harmony between the world's most dangerous creatures and the most advanced technology ever developed by human hands. From the depths of the earth, we have brought forth a miracle, proving that nature still holds the most powerful secrets to beauty and eternal life today. Awaken your eternal beauty with the essence of the desert. Liquid gold, the ultimate serum for those who demand nothing less than absolute perfection for skin. The journey ends here, but your transformation is just beginning. Experience the power of the scorpion and discover the true meaning of timeless, radiant beauty.